In this tutorial, you will be introduced to Electude's response analysis feature. Response analysis is an assessment tool that shows teachers how many right and wrong responses were made by the group for every question in a lesson, test, or quiz. To generate a report, go to the Student tab, then enter the group you wish to review. Drill down into the assigned group content until you're at the group results page for a single lesson, test, or quiz. Scroll to the bottom of the page below the last student result. Then click the response analysis icon to generate the report. This usually takes several seconds to produce. Scroll through the response data and look for questions that showed a high number of incorrect responses. To the left of the response data, click on the page question number link, which will open a new window in your browser. You may now discuss the question with your students.